Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, let us begin. Next topic from the chapter Manufacturing Industry. So, here in this module, we are going to discuss about the types of industries on the basis of size. So, on the basis of size, industries are usually classified in three categories. So, first one is the cottage or household industry. Cottage or household industry is a small manufacturing operations often run out of a person's home. Here, investment is required very less, usually up to 5 lakhs, and without investment also that can be started because here whatever the raw materials required, like in that basket making and the pottery, that are easily available locally with means without investment, you can say, are freely and easily available, so they can start without investment. Money not required for that, or very less money required for starting or running that kind of production activity. Or with the low investment also they can start such works like embroidery, terracotta, and decorative items. So that way. Now cottage industry play significant role in economies of developing countries, because in developing countries that economic strength usually less of the people. Investment is a big problem in developing country. So with low investment, such a cottage industries can be started. Small scale cottage industries are also important source of employment, especially in rural areas, because in rural areas the things required for such cottage industries are easily available. And as in these industries, that power supply is also not very important, that because the machineries are not used as much as in small scale and large scale industries. Now, the small scale industries are extended form of cottage industry in which manufacturing, providing services, productions are done on small scale or micro scale. Here, the small scale or micro scale category has been divided on the basis of size of investment, and already that manufacturing and service sector, two types are there in the small scale industry. So if we talk about the manufacturing sector, the micro and small scale industry on the basis of size, that up to 25 lakh, that comes in micro industry, and on the up to means from 25 lakh to 1 crore comes in small scale manufacturing industries. If services are provided, so up to 10 lakh investment comes in micro industry, and from 10 lakh to 2 crore comes in small scale industries. For example, if we think about the small scale industries, the napkin, tissue, chocolates, toothpick, water bottle, small toys, papers, pens, all these comes in small scale industries, usually manufacturing industries. Small scale industries play an important role in social and economic development of India. Yes, this small scale industry is a labor intensive technology of manufacturing, where machines are required less as compared to laborers. So that way, a big problem of employment is solved through this small scale industry, because more laborers will be getting employment opportunity through the small scale industries, and as their earning will increase, so their economic development also will take place. These industries do a one-time investment in machinery, plants, and industries, which could be on an ownership basis, hire purchase, or lease basis. So that way, that industries can be started by the owning the industry, a small scale industry. Any person can own, a group of people can own. It can be hired also, or it can be taken on lease. Lease is a term used when the people are taking any property on rent for a specific time period. That specific time period usually 5 to 10 years, 20 years, 20 to 30 years. Likewise, large scale industries. Large scale industries uses heavy machineries which is driven by power. It requires huge infrastructure, manpower, and have huge inflow of capital assets. All the heavy industries of India like the iron and steel industry, textile industry, automobile manufacturing industry fall under the large scale industrial arena. However, in recent years due to the IT boom, IT boom is that production and services of this IT industry is increased with a very fast rate, and the huge amount of revenue generated by it, the IT industry can also be included within the jurisdiction of the large scale industrial sector. Indian economy is heavily dependent on these large industries for its economic growth, generation of foreign currency, and for providing job opportunities to millions of Indians. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next module with more topics. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.